Hey, welcome to Fungi Fun. We're getting ready to go hiking and we're gonna go probably find some mushrooms. Just wanted to show some of the stuff that we're getting ready. So this is all gonna go in my top thing. So I got down here, we got some personal stuff, you know, if we need to use the washroom and we feel comfortable to wipe our butt. We got some gear here to make little notes, got a little knife, little feathers, probably not gonna go. We got some power over here. We have our headlamp. We have some spare gloves, a little spare cap, and a little bit of food in case we need to feed a bear. Anyway, and I'm going to put my little glasses on so they'll help if it gets really windy. And they're not special glasses that let me see into the tree or anything like that, so I can see if the mycelium is working. We'll just have to take a note that it probably is. Anyway, looking forward to giving you some updates on the trail. Happy New Year! This is a New Year hike, and all the best in this new year that's ahead of us. And as they say, peace, baby.